Hello, my name is Bart Bunders and I'm here to talk to you about autonomous delivery robots and how they can make us a sustainable future. Imagine a world where your food, groceries or online orders arrive at your doorstep without an actual delivery driver. Just a small driving robot navigating the sidewalks. Now this is not science fiction, it's happening actually today, and big companies such as Starship Technologies and Amazon are creating a more efficient and cost-effective and environmentally friendly delivery system that delivers their products to your doorsteps. But why are these robots considered a sustainable solution? Well, the biggest reason for this is their impact on carbon emissions. Traditional delivery trucks and motorbikes rely on fossil fuels, contributing significantly to air pollution and traffic congestion. In contrast, autonomous delivery robots are small electric-powered machines that consume minimal energy. By replacing gas-powered delivery vehicles, they help reduce CO2 emissions and lower our carbon fuel footprint on the road. So how do these robots actually work? Well, they are equipped with cameras, sensors, GPS and artificial intelligence to navigate streets and sidewalks safely. Using machine learning, they can recognize obstacles and avoid pedestrians and even obey traffic signals. When you place an order through an app, the nearest available robot is dispatched. It arrives at the restaurant or store, picks up your package and then autonomously travels to your location. Once it reaches your home or work or wherever you are, you receive a notification and you can unlock the robot's compartment using your phone to obtain what it is delivered to you. While these robots offer an exciting eco-friendly alternative, they also raise the ethical question. For example, what happens to the jobs of delivery drivers when automation takes over? And how do we ensure that these robots do not become a privacy concern? As they constantly collect data through their sensors and cameras, these are challenges that policymakers and companies need to address to ensure that automation benefits the society in general as a whole. One possible solution to the job displacement issue is to create new roles in maintaining, supervising and managing these robots. Instead of completely replacing the human workers, automation could lead to a shift in job opportunities, requiring workers to develop new skills in robotics and AI management. Governments and companies must work together to provide training programs that help workers transition into these new roles rather than being left behind by the technological process. Additionally, regulations must be put in place to ensure that these robots operate safely and ethically. Laws should dictate how much data these robots can collect, where they can operate and how they interact with the pedestrians. Cities should also invest in better infrastructure, such as designated lanes for automated robots, to prevent accidents and improve efficiency. If implemented correctly, these measures can help integrate the autonomous delivery robots into society in a way that benefits both the environment and the people. In conclusion, autonomous delivery robots are a promising step towards a more sustainable future. They reduce emissions, cut traffic congestion, and provide a glimpse into how technology can improve our daily lives. However, as with any innovation, we must be careful and balance progress with ethical considerations. Thank you for listening.